hello to everyone, a very good morning to those in the US and good afternoon to those in Europe. So just going to do a bit of a preview ahead of the Bank of Canada rate announcement today. So that comes ahead of the Bank of England tomorrow, and then the well-anticipated ECB rate decision and press conference tomorrow afternoon. But in terms of today's Canadian rate decision, all analysts surveyed are going for unchanged for the rate, so that's currently standing at 1%. So focus will actually be on the language used. We will see a release of text at the same time of the rate decision, so that's at 2 o'clock London time, so that's 8 o'clock in Chicago. Now, just in terms of the language that analysts are expecting, we're expecting that the Bank of Canada will reiterate that withdrawal of monetary stimulus may become appropriate, and also a slight reduction in the hawkish comments that we have seen in recent times. Mid-month, though, middle of August, we did see Bank of Canada's Governor Carney. He reiterated the hawkish stance, saying that higher rates may become appropriate. So initially there was some expectation of a hike towards the end of this year, but that's now being shifted a bit later on towards Q1 and Q2 of next year. So analysts expecting a slightly less hawkish stance today. However, if it is more hawkish than expected, we could see some strengthening in terms of the Canadian dollar, or if it is more dovish than expected, we could see the reverse of this and see some weakening. So it'll be interesting. Again, that's at 2 o'clock London time. And in terms of other schedule for today, we do have the German Finance Minister on the wires scheduled a couple of times today. And also we've got API inventory numbers after market, as usual, the day before the ECB rate decision. Any sort of comments hinting towards any decisions taken by Draghi will be keenly in focus. Any source comments or anything leaked ahead of that decision will or could be a market mover. But for the time being, that's enough from me. Hope you have a great trading afternoon, and we'll have a bit of a wrap up for you at the Wall Street closing bell.